Hey guys, it's your cool K-pop fan 111, aka Madison, and I was planning not to do any more reactions today, but until the Sound B HD Walking Dead just came out minutes ago. So I'm so excited for this. Here we go! I'm not ready. Working Please don't end. No. That can't not be the end of this. No. It's over. I love the Soundbeat HD song Walking Dead so much. I have it on my iPhone. I love it so much. Oh. So tell me guys what you think about the Sound BHD new song Walking Dead that came out. The full album came out in January of this year. Who's your favourite member in the Soundbeat HD? Tell me this leak comments below low. Tell me what other visual kei bands want me to do that I haven't heard from before. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you already are subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell, ding ding, ring ring. So yeah, so this is my girl K-pop fan 111, aka Madison. I will see y'all next time.